and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lin Health Europe. Today we're going to see if people that are black can get hair transplantation or not. Stay with us to learn more. Wondering if black men can get a hair transplant in Turkey? In this video, we'll break down the process, techniques, and why Lin Health in Istanbul is an excellent choice for black men seeking hair restoration. The right hair type. Black men typically have curly, coiled, or textured hair. This requires special techniques, but the good news is that Lin Health is experienced in working with all hair types. The clinic's surgeons are highly trained in performing transplants on curly hair with great precision, ensuring natural and lasting results. FUE and DHI. At Lin, we use advanced techniques like FUE, follicular unit extraction, and DHI, direct hair implantation. These methods are ideal for curly hair, ensuring that grafts are carefully placed to mimic the natural growth pattern, even with more textured hair. Now, why Turkey is a top destination? Turkey, particularly Istanbul, is home to some of the best hair transplant clinics in the world. The cost is much more affordable compared to other countries like the US or the UK, without compromising on the quality of care. Lin Health offers advanced equipment, highly skilled surgeons, and comprehensive support to ensure your journey is seamless. So the answer to the question is absolutely yes. Black men can get a hair transplant in Turkey, and Lin Health is a top choice for anyone with curly or textured hair. With cutting-edge techniques, expert care, and affordable prices, you can achieve the hair restoration results that you've always been dreaming of. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful for you. If you liked it, you can like, subscribe, or leave any further comments or questions in the comment section below. Bye! See you in the next video!